Hello everyone and welcome to Watch Uncle Wayne. Today we are going to fish. We're going to fish this area here in Connecticut and see what we can get. We got our rocking fold-up chair. Picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods. And of course our bait for today, night crawlers. Says big worms. Canadian crawlers. So what I'm using today is a Shakespeare ugly stick with a Shimano Solstice reel, all casted out. It's a sit and waiting game now. I'm sitting here in a shaded area, a few feet away from my poles, keeping an eye on them. Scenery here is very nice. I come here a lot. They call that the top of the world around here, from what I understand. And there is a way up there. Maybe when I feel adventurous enough and have someone with me, I could go climb that mountain. There's no cooler needed when you just put the ice into the box of your favorite beverage. So what I like to do while I wait, adult beverage. Have your adult beverages responsibly. Hits the spot. Have your adult beverages responsibly. Hits the spot. Not soon after taking a sip of my adult beverage, I had a hit on the pole. Okay, bite on the pole, bite on the pole. Okay, we have a fish on. Fish on. 8-pound test, 1/4 ounce sinker. Can't tell what it is at the moment, but bouncing pretty good. Now's the fun part of not tangling up into my line. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Go around the other line nice and quick. We got ourselves a nice rainbow trout today. Well, sometimes your Uncle Wayne does mess up a little bit. The second fish that I caught, the phone dropped into my pocket, so I got no video. I do have the audio. I am going to play it. Alright, we had a massive hit. Hopefully it's still on there. Ah, fish on. Fish number 2. Do the walk. Always keep the pole up. It's coming in. It's coming in. It's in the weeds now. There we go. And we're tangling around our other line and do the little flopper like that. All right, the sun is setting up here at the pond, shining on the top of the world. I'd like to thank you for watching the first episode of Watch Uncle Wayne. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Remember, your Uncle Wayne's watching out for you.